Hello, everyone, and welcome to The Drinking Geek. I'm Justin, The Drinking Geek, and you're in for a very special episode because you saw last week's episode about kryptonite. This is being filmed the same day, and I am drunk. But who cares about what I am? What kind of drink are we making today? Well, who's that Pokemon? It's Alcremie. For those of you that don't know, Alcremie is a new fairy-type Pokemon that was introduced in Pokemon Sword and Shield. And thought, you know what? This will be a fantastic drink. Let's get to it. Today's ingredients are as follows. We have a quarter of a blender of ice. That's for John Sykes. He asked how much ice in the last blended drink, and I'm calling him out. There you go. Quarter of a blender is how much you want for this drink. Then we're going to use our strawberries and cream Baileys, which you can get at a Bevmo, at Walmart. Di Serono, Amaretto. Yeah, we love that cherry flavor. Strawberry Nectar, you can get this at your local CVS. That's fantastic. Some fresh raspberries. Ready whipped cream, and sugar-free cranberry juice, not cranberry juice cocktail. That's too much sugar, and that will give you a headache. Let's get to pouring! And we're going to do an ounce of the strawberries and cream. Oops, that's an ounce and a half. It's okay, it's just a little bit stronger. Now before I add the Di Serono, I'm going to add the juices, because what we face sometimes with cream-like drinks is curdling, which isn't a bad thing. It's not making it go bad. It just gives it a harder texture to pour. So with our cranberry juice, we're doing half of our shot glass, which is about 4 tablespoons or 2 ounces. Beautiful. So we're going to do 1 ounce, I got it right that time, of the strawberry nectar, and then we're going to do our Di Serono. We'll be able to blend it before it curds, and it will be fantastic. Amaretto, 1 ounce inside. And the question is, what's your favorite Pokemon? Everyone's got one, even if you didn't play Pokemon. I adore Pokemon. Every iteration of every... fuck, what's the word?
Generation?
Yeah, generation, thank you. But my favorite Pokemon is Poliwhirl from Gen 1. And now, if you didn't know, to evolve Alcremie, you have to have its pre-evolution, and then you have to spin around in a circle 30 times, and then level it up. So, let's spin this drink in a circle 30 times.
Who's that Pokemon?
Alright, so the drink has been blended, we've spun it 30 times, and Alcremie is here. Let's pop the top, and pour in the glass. Alright, so up next we're going to add some whipped cream on top, because you can't have Alcremie without whipped cream. Got a nice little tower there. And finally, to top it off, raspberries. Fun little fact about Alcremie. Alcremie has 13 different forms with a different topping on each one. Today we're going with raspberry form. And that is the Alcremie. Now you're probably wondering about the taste, and I'll tell you, I'm going to get a big ass amount of whipped cream in my beard. It's great. I'm so sorry for how drunk I am. That's so good. Thank you. So, the Alcremie. Cherry flavoring. That Amaretto is powerful. Super refreshing. It is icy. Great for these hot summer days into our very warm California falls. My friends, if you enjoyed today's video and want to see more content just like this, feel free to follow me here on YouTube by subscribing, sharing the video, commenting, and liking. And if you're feeling generous, follow me on all of my social medias, which will be linked down below. Thanks, and I will see you next week.